So we decided to talk this one today with one of our better guests. We go follow us talk on Zoom in the Gidigba. Now, public affairs analyst and Oga Dotun Ojon. Make we even discuss this matter. What's in the happen?
Oga Dotun Ojon, I don't know whether they hear us. Good morning. Good morning, Oga Dotun.
Good morning.
Dotun, good morning. Even though we won't talk after this report, nothing come good for this morning again. But anyhow, we go see say good morning. Sake of say me and you for now we good until they bring out the things that we don't do for corner, because be like say no Nigeria where person fit trust again for inside money matter. I beg. I don't know whether you watch that report where be say will show where consign all the things that we be say governments or maybe constituency projects them where be say they bring out say this House of Rep member or this senator carry am and all of that. I beg, how you see this matter, this revelation by ICPC first of all? How do you for body?
Shane, they hear us?
Oga Dotun, they hear us? What be your take?
This one not be the first time.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. This one not be the first time where this thing will happen. Okay. And I'll be victim before. 2003, NDDC, after training, they will give each person office to open computer for them. And each month, we're supposed to take 10,000 naira.
Okay.
That was 2001 or 2002.
Okay. We
go that training. They go every day, like you go resume there like school. But after the training, we not see computer, we not see 500,000 where they say they won't give each person. Now so the money take go. And if you look at the budget where NDDC they operate, for 2011 alone, they get over 230 billion. For 2012, they get above that amount. Now so they get the money. And inside this budget, if you read down, empowerment, now they dig they carry chunk of the money. But you discover that the people where they're supposed to do this empowerment for, they know they get any empowerment. So it don't become, I don't talk and say, greed don't become our God for this country, Nigeria. And they limited to people where they power. And I'll go cite an example for what happened for COVID-19 period.
Yeah.
COVID-19 lockdown, where government announced, government made small provision where they call palliative.
Yes.
And they, in some cases, they gave this palliative to community leaders to identify people where they their community, especially people who not to get money for community.
Yes. So they go
majority of these community leaders, they know the government. They swallow this palliative. So as we talk now, they limited to people with the power. All of us now, we are just waiting to get our portion of the national cake. And once we get them, the most annoying part of it is that we are not even ready to share them with our neighbor. It just be say, make I get this my own portion of the national cake, make I chop them. So the thing where ICPC do now correct thing. And my prayer is say they continue to slide some of these government agencies, especially at the beginning of the year. There's budgets where government agencies they do. When they submit this budget, anywhere where they say empowerment, they must follow through.
I beg, that way don't talk empowerment. We could talk about constituency projects. Because that one don't cause a lot of biggie. Waiting be your take on constituency projects, and waiting we suppose do to make sure say we'll follow up the constituency project then to make sure say the lawmakers them live up to the expectation.
You hear us?
If you won't follow law within Nigeria, I didn't hear you.
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
If we won't follow law for Nigeria, any lawmaker will execute a constituency project for good jail. Because the power of a lawmaker not be to execute project. This is the idea of constituency project when this thing started in 1999 to 2000. The idea is say you as a lawmaker, you know the pain of your people. You will now come to the National Assembly, like Biro, you write down, say, my people for my constituency, they need road. My people for my constituency, they need water. When you bring them come to National Assembly, the committee where they in charge of that particular ministry, it can be Ministry of Works.
Yes.
You feel submit the thing give them, they will now give to the ministry wey dey in charge. The ministry wey dey in charge go down put them inside budget. They will now submit to National Assembly. National Assembly will now approve. Once National Assembly approve, no be the work of any legislator to go do constituency project.
Then wetin come dey happen?
So how the money come dey reach their hand? Now we wan understand this matter now.
Original way this thing suppose be. But now, National Assembly and even House of Assembly member, they don't Colombian. So at the beginning of the year, once they do the approval, they go meet the ministry. Now them go carry contractor wey go execute the project. Go meet them say, now this person I want.
Now you want make you do the work.
And most of this company where they bring, now them.
Now then get the company.
They will. And most of the company where they their own company. So once they collect the money, they abandon the project. Now let me shock you, sir. For my place in Ondo State,
yes,
for 10 years we never get light.
10
now,
years.
In one community, in an entire senatorial district, not be one town, entire senatorial district.
And I get senator and House of Rep member for that place.
For 10 years. Now, there's one community where they, that senatorial district, it gets 2 different lights where enter the community.
Okay.
One enter from the right, the one enter from the left. And upon these 2 lines where enter the community did not get light. When I now see this thing, I come investigate, see what can happen. They say this one na NDDC start am, and this one na constituency project for one lawmaker. One project they give them to 2 different contractors, and the 2 different contractors they do the same project. Electricity projects never get light,
and they never deliver.
And they never deliver.
So the
for
issue
the
of
2
constituency project, we will do them now. You know, they constitutional.
See,
this one a revelation for a lot of people.
As you don't clear this information now, give us on how the process supposed be for inside a constitution where we get. I would like to ask this question. So since we don't realize, say some of these people them, where they constituencies them, they carry their own contractors, go meet them for National Assembly, say now this person go do the work for us. We not get agencies or organized committee them where they monitor these things wey suppose happen. You don't get people where go monitor, go say, okay, will they give you this money to do this kind of project? Why it never happen? Or give us progress reports as they go. We don't get organizations where they check these things. Now
the complexity where they there be that. Because now the National Assembly is and suppose they do oversight function.
Yes.
Go they monitor this project.
Network.
And now National Assembly members they this project. So who go now monitor who? Monitor who? That is the problem we get now. The people they supposed to they monitor, now them they collect the project. So who go monitor? Except if people will do that constituency, if they feel right, go agency like ICPC, like EFCC, say this project where they budget to, we hear say government don't release money for them, but we never see them. Now the agency like ICPC, like EFCC, can now take it up. But as it did now, the National Assembly get that oversight function to the monitor, say everything where they budget is executed by the executive. But now the same National Assembly members, many of them, now them they do constituency.
So now case of where you be say if maybe even if you be say your colleague won't raise matter, you go pocket and for corner.
You go lock up.
And all that you lock up.
You go lock up.
You don't give us plenty revelation. So meaning, so what's be the way forward now? Bottom line, because I don't know what to ask again.
What's the way forward?
What's be the way forward?
Don't spoil. What's be the way forward?
Everything don't spoil. What's be the way forward?
What you go give as advice?
What's you think say be the way we go use correct matter now?
Yeah.
Okay, the way we will fit take correct matter now, now to have citizen we know as things they go, and it's getting better. I want to give kudos to Nigerians now. Many Nigerians don't they wake up. We have a lot of youth organization now. Number one, we have followed the project.
Okay.
We immediately sign the project for National Assembly, we get one youth group where they follow am.
Okay.
We have followed the money. Immediately, Ministry of Finance release money. All of us too, as people, we must know that we must follow this our money. So immediately you read for budget, say they approve road for your community. Open eye, know when they go release the money, and immediately you see say the project, no, they not execute them. You ride. You will remember in one of the states, in Edo State, just about 1 month ago, when they do one road when they don't do them well at all. One guy, people film and put them for social media, say, now the road that they do, now this kind of road that they do for my place. So, and before we know the governor, the deputy governor went to inspect the people. So the power still there in the hand of the citizen. Let us wake up and monitor government project in our constituency.
Thank you. So, and I'm more like see something and say something.
Say something.
No see something, keep quiet.
Yes, sir.
See him, talk him.
Yes, sir.
Make it be say people see him. Thank you.